Hello, welcome back to Saw 2 Flesh and Blood. Last time, we had to go running through awesome trap right in down there. That was a pig room and stuff. Guy attacked us, which is where I got this crutch. And basically we're just slowly progressing, trying to get to the kitchen, which is, I believe, in here. And I thought it was a trap, but I think it's a mixture of a trap, but it's also a trap for another person. And if we don't save this person, then, or have them save themselves or whatever, then I won't be able to get one of Billy puppets or a puzzle piece or something. So we are just going to, peek in here. Oh boy, this is going to be fun. I think this is the one, because I thought the one where you have to say Griff was the one that I failed at, but now that I see that, I'm pretty sure this was the one I failed at, so.
Sometimes moving forward in life means pain. Each of you has half the means. Each of you has to free yourselves. Michael, to free yourselves. You have the information that Zeke needs to solve his puzzle. Giving him the information he needs to live will cause him a great deal of pain. But ignore the problem and you both go nowhere. Good luck.
Thanks.
Oh man! Hold on, man!
I don't know. I don't think this has a timer, but I could be wrong.
I'll need the numbers so we can get out of here.
No. I'm looking for something with an 8 on it.
What are the numbers? Hurry! What are the numbers?
I know. I'm sorry. I might fail at this a couple of times.
Oh my God! Hurry! Find the numbers!
I'm finding the numbers. Okay, I think that's it there. So it's 064. Right.
I need those numbers.
064. That's what I think it is. It's in here. Nope, need 0 first. 0.
Read the numbers now! Read the numbers now!
0. Ha! 0.
0. 0. Oh my God! Hurry! Find the numbers! Hurry!
Yeah, okay. 647. 6.
What are the sixes? Hurry! What are the sixes?
Pick up that case file. Ah, this one's about Amanda from the first film. You should be able to know what that is from if any of you watched the Saw movies. 6, 4, 7?
Hurry! Find the numbers! Hurry!
4, 7, 4, 7, 4, 7. Nope. 4.
4.
No! Is it 7? Yeah.
7. 7.
Haha! You good, brah? You gonna live?
Oh my God.
Don't feel too bad for Zeke. Don't feel too bad. Those hands used to touch little girls. Now they'll just touch the bottom of a trash bin.
Bye, Zeke. You're a gross dick. What's that?
The jigsaw device unlocked by Amanda Young is different from the other killings. The device, what he describes as a reverse bear trap, is mechanically more complex than what we've seen so far. The design is elegant. There's no other words for it. It's a hinge retractor. spring-loaded with enough force to wrench open the victim's jaw well past the tearing point. I've studied it so much by this point, I wouldn't even need a key to release it.
And that's a little bit of a reference to the first game, because the first part of the first game, you take off the bear trap without a key. You just twist a bunch of gears and then it ends up opening up. Ooh, present.
You have the key, and with it the power to save a life.
Sweet. I'm gonna save this.
If you make it in time.
Make it in time. Loony enough. I'm gonna grab this. Just because my crutch is kind of broken. Oh, it's... Ah! Damn it. Completely different. Damn it. There we go. I see the light! Mine. Alright, so apparently I have to hurry or something? Yeah, sneaky bastard. Alright, here we go! Oh, you know what? I'm gonna save first. There we go. This game is weird though. It has quick saves and like checkpoint saves and regular saves. So a little weird. Oh well, time to have some fun. Well, look who it is.
Hello, Henry. When you were promoted to chief of police, you vowed to rid the streets of drug abuse. But like any politician, you have become part of the problem instead of the solution. You have defiled the oath you made to protect the public. Now usually when an officer of the law falls as low as you, they take their own life. They eat the gun. Allow me to help you with that. Each panel has a series of lights that must be switched off. But be careful. Each click, brings the gun closer to firing. Switch off all the lights on each panel. Or it's lights out. Detective Tapp shot himself because he couldn't see the light. This is your chance to see the light by turning them off. Live or die, Henry. Live or die, Henry.
Not really your choice, but thought I'd let you know. Okay, so okay. Ha! Oh boy. Oh. Oh, bugger. This is not good. Son of a bitch. Sorry. Oh, did I kill him? I think I killed him. Oh, nuts. That's a powerful gun. Not only did it go through his head, but went through two things of wood. Two, like, you know. But I know I panicked at that point. I was like, oh, don't know. But they had this light game, this trap in the first game too, so... Oh, I hope I can skip the cutscene of this. Yes. Thank you. Oh, did I just not do this one, like, perfectly last time? Shit! Thought I had this one. There we go. Alright, this one I have to think about for a sec. Oh man, I am bad at this one. I think I killed him again. Pretty sure. Oh, so close. Oh, whoa, what the hell? How was we just leave him? Go. Where are you going? Just curious. See if there's any like hidden stuff that I can do before I finish this. Doesn't look like there is. Oh, that was weird. Sounds like he's just like, you know, sore and tired. Alright. Sorry about that, buddy. Bang! Darn! Ah, damn it! Oops. Alright, I'm gonna speed this up. I'm just gonna either fast forward it or cut it to where I get the puzzle. Oh my god. Finally! Haha, I win!
Okay, that was close. Okay, Michael's close. You have to get the rest out. Michael, he said you have to go down that elevator alone. He said you have to go down that elevator alone. We're getting out of here. Fuck that. This psycho thinks that we had something to do with your father's death. He'll kill them all. Fine. He'll kill them all. Fine.
Which way are you going?
I'm supposed to head towards the entrance.
Which way are you going?
I'll try to find some help.
All right.
I'll try to find some
I'll
help.
see you on the other side. All right. Don't get yourself killed, okay? Don't get yourself killed. Okay?
Don't worry, I won't be the one getting killed. See? Whoa. We're so far in the air. Alright, cool. Saved Henry. Now on to the next victim. Down to the parking.
What is this thing? What is this?
The truth is often concealed in darkness. The vest in front of you holds a light that will aid in your game. But be warned, if you stray from the path, the vest will make sure you do not get very far.
No fun. Basically shotgun collar, but
So this is your latest toy. I'll play it your way. Okay.
I'm actually excited to play it your way. Whoa, what the hell just appeared on me? Oh, hey there, girly girl. We saw you at the apartment and you were all twitchy and stuff.
Before you are two obstacles, water and electricity. At this voltage, the combination is deadly. And shut off the electricity. And you might be able to save this woman's life.
Help! Help! I'm trapped! I can't get out! I can't get
It's okay. I'm here to help you. It's okay. I just need to find a way in, okay?
Hurry up!
okay.
Turn my light. There we go. That's better. Time to shave, darling. Alright, so, oh, his name was Henry. I forgot. My guy's name is Michael. So I saved Henry, now I gotta save Sarah. Yeah, let's just walk around. Oh no! Oh, stupid vending machine. Alright, it's over here. Sealed? Yep. Oh, another vending machine. Okay, so where do I... Oh. Wait, how do I get over there? Oh, okay. I thought there was debris in the way, so... Oh, it's... Is that for the water? I don't know. Do not know. Ooh, well, that's... Eyes. Oh, I see you. I wonder if that's from... I think that's from the first game, too. I think they had the same thing. Alright, I guess I go this way. I don't know. Nope. I guess I'll come out of there later on. Where do I go? Alright, not that way. Is it the exit over here? No. Well, this is... Oh, it's over there. I feel dumb now. Oh, hey. What's up, Jake?
You still don't realize what I'm doing, do you? Still don't.
You speak up?
I've been getting that a lot lately.
Defiant.
I've been getting that a lot.
Like your father. Defiant. Like your father. Oh, I would have liked to have known. Oh, I would have liked to. Did you know about my son? Did you know about my son? I think he would have been like me. I think he would have been like even like you. Or maybe even like you. I'll never know. I'll never know. giving him, and that's what I'm giving him.
Okay. I'm assuming. Yeah. I think that's funny. I have to grab that weight thing and bring it back up here to shut off something. Although I do like how it has, like, you know, the little hologram where it's like, this is where it goes, just in case you're too dumb to find out. I ain't missing nothing. Well, batteries. What's batteries? Huh. So one has a hacksaw and one is blank. I have no idea what this is for. I hope I didn't miss anything that would tell me what this is. Let's hit... Nope! This one? Now this one? That's weird. I don't know how that... I don't know. That's weird. Glad we didn't die, though. Okay, tread lightly. Huh. What's that? Sounds like somebody's drawing something. What's in here? Watch out! Safe. That's nope. Missing a gear. Might as well see where this goes. Nowhere. I guess the gear opens up something, maybe? I don't know. This is weird. Doesn't look like there's a door or anything. Oh, I missed a hypo. I must retrieve it! Do. Yeah! I hope I don't get addicted to it like my father before me. What's in here? Needs a key, okay. Alright then, I guess I'll jump down. Ooh. Alright. What's in the dryer?
Rattling around in there. Sounds like something rattling.
It's ahead! That's the gear. Oh, this is a dry gear. I imagine it'd be very hot, too. I think that's supposed to scare me, but... So our star told me.
That key, surrounded by steel pipe,
Oh.
is the only way forward.
Huh.
Is the only way forward. Let's see if you can take the heat. Let's see if you can take the heat.
Just like that other from the movie, except this one is hot instead of cold. So, do I wait, or is it going to be constant? Damn it! Really? Yeah! What did I do? Uh-oh. I blew everything up. Woo! It's just like the first game. Shutting off that boiler and basically blowing up the entire hospital. Missed! Uh-oh. Boom! Holy crap. Upstairs. There we go. Ooh, what's in here? We have that. What's in there? Aha! Are those in here? No! Is anybody there? Nothing but us paint cans. What this? Needs a nail. I don't have a nail. Nail! Alright. Well, it looks like we're out of time, so next time I will unlock this door and go this way, possibly get that weapon over there. I'd like to thank everybody for watching, and if you'd like to see more, just go onto my YouTube channel and you can see all the other Let's Plays I've done, and I'll see you next time.